Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 15 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a kinetic typography effect in Figma. First, I will make a rotating effect for the text around the logo. Then I will create a kinetic typography-like effect for the welcome text under the logo. I am using the Arc plugin to bend the text. Select the text layer, then run the plugin. Increase or decrease bend strength according to your requirements. Frame the logo and text group. To animate it like a rotating text, duplicate the frame and rotate the text group a bit. Repeat the process until you get closer to the position in the first step where you start rotating. Now select all frames and make a component set. Now add a prototype. Add after delay trigger. Reduce delay time to 1 millisecond. You can set animation time according to your requirements. Place the component on the screen to replace the existing screen. Now I am designing the welcome text. I am adding a frame on the text layer so that I can add animation. In the first step, text will be out of the frame. Then it will gradually start appearing. To better understand the process, I am adding color to the frame so that you can have an idea of the frame boundaries. So in the first step, text is out of the frame. Duplicate the frame and wrap the text layer with another frame with clip content. Decrease the frame width to show the first word. Then duplicate the frame and increase the width of the inner frame to show the next word. And so on, repeat the process to show full tagline or welcome text. Now select all frames, remove the background and make them component set. Now add a prototype. Same for this animation, add after delay trigger with smart animation. Here you go. You can also adjust the timing of the animation according to your requirements. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.